I see a lot of people using trigger bang bang or trigger bang 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 like this. They wanted to have like one bang trigger several. Right? And of course they're gonna trigger in the normal max way where they go right to left. But you can actually, there's an object called bang bang, bang bang. It's bangs, but you don't have to write trigger, and you don't even actually have to write bang bang. You don't even have to write bang. You just write B, and then it will do the same thing. And you can even put a number behind it. So if I wanted like, if I wanted 5 bangs, then you could just do it like that, and then it would work exactly the same way. The select object can actually be a little bit confusing for people new to Max. It's also called cell for short, so I just use cell most of the time. In its default state, it bangs if the input is a 0, and then it sends anything else out the right inlet. So select actually outputs bangs if it matches, and then it shoots out whatever is not a match to its right outlet. I think snippets are really useful. I use them a lot to quickly access chunks of code that I use often. If I wanted to use this thing over and over again, I can just click on save snippet, and then I could save it as bang plus, right? Then I hit save, and then if I load up snippets, you can see there it is. So it's a really easy way to access reusable code. And then you can just right click and then click remove, and it will be gone from your list. This snippet that I was just showing you is a way that I troubleshoot code. Sometimes if you're patching, you need to see if something is giving you a lot of messages and kind of what that space looks like. If I turn on this metro that's blinking every 700 milliseconds, you can see it's going to pop up and it's going to show me that light as it is coming in. So far it's really easy to see that it's a bang and that it's lighting up this yellow. But if you go faster, like 150 milliseconds, you can see that it's just solid. Whereas with this patch that I made, it's an easy way. You'll actually see if I go, say 80 milliseconds, you can see that it's actually showing us that it's not just a solid stream of bangs, it's a quick succession of bangs. So I use this thing all the time. Here's the coding for it. If you wanted to use it on your own, you can. I definitely recommend you build this, especially if you're new to Max, so that you can see not only what the message is that's coming through, regardless of whether it's a bang or a number or a message or a symbol, but you can also adjust how much time or how long the message stays illuminated for using this attribute right here. The Oozie object by default starts at 1 if you are getting data out of the right outlet, but you can actually start it from whatever number you want and it'll just count up. So I'm going to use this prepend append, which is actually, I think, the next thing, to be able to see all the numbers this is outputting in the by hooking the prepend append up to the left outlet of this message box. But since I set Oozie32 -16, this second attribute is actually the starting point. So if I hit bang here, you'll see that it shows all the numbers starting at -16. And if I wanted to start at 0, same deal. So I see often I see people using an Oozie and adding 1 to the right outlet. You don't have to do that. You can just specify what you would like that starting point to be.